Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we'll be doing a no-bake cheesecake with cocoa crust. The ingredients we'll be using are crackers, butter, brown sugar, cocoa powder, salt, cream cheese, whipped cream, powdered sugar, gelatin powder, lemon, and water. The ingredients are also listed below in the description. We're going to start off by placing the crackers in the blender. You don't necessarily have to post them in a blender. You can also put the crackers in a Ziploc bag and smash them with a hand roller or any wooden spatula. You can also use any crackers to your liking. We're using crackers that have a little bit of cinnamon to them, but you can use whichever you prefer. We're going to post the crackers until there are no more big crumbs. Now that we have our crackers ready, we're going to mix all the dry ingredients for the crust. So we're going to add brown sugar, cocoa powder, salt into the crackers until it's mixed in together. We're going to put the bowl to the side and we're going to move on to the butter. We're going to melt the butter in a pot on a low to medium heat and occasionally stir until all the butter is melted. Now that our butter is melted, we're going to add it to our dry ingredients and mix it in. Then it's ready to transfer it into the base and press down firmly either with your fingers or a spatula. We're going to leave the crust in the refrigerator for about 20 to 30 minutes or at least while we finish the rest of the cheesecake. We're going to get the cream cheese and the powdered sugar mixed at low speed. And scrape off the sides if needed to make sure there is no more powdered sugar visible. Then we add the lemon juice while that's mixing. We're going to heat up the water to mix in with the gelatin powder. Or follow the instructions to your gelatin powder packet, then add it to the mixer. Take the whipped cream in a bowl, use a hand mixer or a whisk, and we're going to mix until it becomes fluffy and soft. Now we're going to add the whipped cream into our cream cheese mixture, but we're only going to add half and fold it in. We do this so the air doesn't come out of the whipped cream and become flat. and then add the second half and fold it in. Now we're going to take our cocoa crust out and add on our base. You can either use a spatula or an offset spatula to even out the surface and leave it in the fridge overnight. And your no-bake cheesecake with cocoa crust is ready to eat. We hoped you enjoy our take on this cheesecake recipe. Let us know your thoughts about this recipe in the comments below, or what you would have done differently. Until next time!
Jennifer's glad, careful.